In this video, I will show you how to create custom jewelry mockups on ShineOn. First, log into your ShineOn account. On the left side of the screen, click on Catalog. Scroll down until you see the Necklaces section. Then choose Simple Pendants. From here, just pick any pendant style you want to customize. Once you're in, click on Create Your Product. Now scroll down and select Open Artwork Designer. Here you can upload your design. Just choose a file from your computer, drag and drop it in, and then adjust the size so it fits nicely on your jewelry. When you're happy with it, click Save and Continue. After a few moments, scroll down and you will see your product mockups ready to go. It's that simple. Your custom jewelry mockup is now created and ready for your store. And that's how to create custom jewelry mockups on ShineOn.